Happy Thursday. Happy trading. Nothing I'd rather be doing than trading on this Thursday. Let's look on our best flow. Our best flow is Uber. How you would have looked at Uber. This was green. Then it turned away. Sell. Set to stop. Get out. Color change. See if you could catch it again. Knocked you out. That's how I would have played it. Now let's go to our trades. First, we did Merck. Keep in mind this is a holiday, so the day before a holiday, the market's not open today or tomorrow, so we didn't do too well. Our first stock to trade, we saw an elephant bar right here, so we bought into it. Keep in mind, all of this had already happened. It fought through all of that, so that probably wasn't the best buy. Then it went down, and then we got a little comeback to the starting point. Probably should have got out there. Didn't. Thought it might get a little higher. Went down on us. That was our first trade. Negative, of course. Then we got in Uber. Well, let's stay in Merck for the rest of the day. And you might have looked here off the 20 or off the 200 elephant bar. Nope, doesn't go any further than that. No follow through. Then we got a position of power right here. We might have a move, a color change right here. Let's say you didn't catch that. Let's say you caught this tail bar right here. Set the stop right there. That would have been a great move. We got this going at a 45. We bought the color change here. It got up on us and then it went down. We got out just to save some profit. Probably not the best idea. Should have just took the loss right there. Now we're in a power position. 80%, bull 180. That would have been a nice trade. Next is Uber. Fab 4. Sell. Or color change here, sell. Take all of that, get out majority of shares, leave one share, comes back, color takeout, add, takes out that, get everything out. What we tried to do is we tried to get in the secondary move, and it took everything out immediately, so we got out. I could see one trying to take this right here, but it doesn't offer the sell that you're looking for, so there's no real purpose of it. Now it breaks into the 20. Maybe you could say 20 MA halt here, and then hits the 20 or the 200, flat 200. Flat 200, you're always going to get some pushback, so you know it's going to go down. It went down all the way to the 20. You'd want to play that up, but you don't get the signal to play that up right there. Now they're still kind of flat, so don't know what to do. You could play that off the 200. We tried to play this, buy 180. Got us taken out. We got taken out because we hit our maximum loss for the day. But had not, looks like we would have hit that. Big move going up. Next move would be C. Fab 4. Red bar. Green bar comes up. You get a red bar takeout. You sell. New low. Get out. Majority of shares. Let it ride back. See if you get a takeout. You never get a takeout. You never get a takeout. And then it just goes all the way up. Keep in mind, flat 200. You can always get a pullback there. Right there. Goes down to the 20. Looks like the 20 is a 45-degree angle. No longer is it at a 45 angle. It's flat. Both are flat. The 20 and the 200. Waiting for a large move. They crossed. It was a crisscross. Not sure how to take it. You could say that's a position of power. Position of power. So if it gets down, it takes it. We're going to take it. You could take that. Set the stop. Looks like it would have stopped you out, stopped you out, stopped you out, but it eventually went up. Let's go to Intel. Intel, you look at it, and we don't really look at this as a move we're going to take. That's just not in our playbook. Here's the Fab 4. Here's the wrong color. It's a large bar, so it's indicating it might be, a reversal. You take long bars, but it's a long bar in the wrong direction, so we just wouldn't take it. Let's say you did, you got to take it, and then you just led all the way up here, but just because it's on the wrong side of the tracks, you probably wouldn't take that, just because you wouldn't expect that to work majority of the time. But it worked on this instance. Now you have a flat 20 after a move like that. Not really sure what to do. The stock's not really sure what to do. It goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And keep in mind, this is acting like a 20. Might be time to just rule this stock out for the end of the day. And next we got Walmart. Walmart, Fab 4. You could play this one up, but it doesn't go anywhere. You could play this one at the bottom, play it to there. Now you're away from the Fab 4. Let's see what it does. I personally just feel, since it was the day before a holiday, here's elephant off of a 20. I just feel like because it was the day before a holiday, it just wasn't much to do. And that's why the market was the market. Here we tried to, usually if it goes down like this, it'll go up, and then you'll get a bear 180, and we figured it was going to go down, but it didn't go down. It actually did the opposite and went up. And if it doesn't go down and you get a quick no follow through, that means it's going to go up. And the last stock that we didn't cover, we didn't touch CVX. Fab 4, wrong color takeout, green bar, take that trade. Right here, you get 2 tail bars, sell. Majority of the day, all the bars were red, so it makes sense that this just fell after that spike at the beginning of the day. Now we're looking at a tight setup. Any moves from here? Elephant bar, set to stop. Nope. Could have got out here. Could have got out here. Could have got out here. This you would have just, even if it was here, you still would have known your loss. So again, like I was saying, it was a day before a holiday, Good Friday. So I just feel like the market wasn't moving too much. This was the worst day we had this week, and I'm just going to attribute to that. A lot of my trades were just not good trades. Like I knew not to take them, but I just wanted to make something happen. So we shouldn't make something happen when we shouldn't. When we know we shouldn't make something happen. Just be patient. So here's to next week.